Hello Salam everyone, I'm Dr. Asad Saleem, and welcome to my YouTube channel at Asad Saleem 1414. Today we'll be discussing diabetic retinopathy, which is a serious complication of diabetes that can actually lead to vision loss. Diabetic retinopathy is a condition where high blood sugar levels damage the blood vessels in the retina, and this can lead to vision problems. Diabetic retinopathy can cause various symptoms including blurred vision, floaters, flashes of light, blind spots, and even vision loss. Some common signs and symptoms of diabetic retinopathy include microaneurysms, which are small swellings in the retina's blood vessels, hemorrhages or bleeding in the retina, hard exudates, which are basically lipid deposits in the retina, and cotton wool spots, which are areas of damaged nerve fibers. So, to diagnose diabetic retinopathy, doctors actually use a variety of tools including a dilated eye exam, fundus photography, optical coherence tomography, often called OCT, and also fluorescein angiography. Now, while there's, no actual cure for diabetic retinopathy, medical treatments can definitely help manage the condition. Tight blood sugar control can slow the progression of the disease, and controlling high blood pressure can also really help. Plus, antivascular endothelial growth factor or VEGF injections can reduce swelling and bleeding in the eye. In advanced cases, surgical treatments may be necessary. So first, there's laser photocoagulation. This procedure uses a laser to destroy abnormal blood vessels. And then, there's vitrectomy, which is a surgery that involves removing blood and scar tissue from the vitreous gel. To manage diabetic retinopathy, it's essential to maintain good blood sugar control. You should also eat a balanced diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Exercising regularly is really important too. It's also necessary to quit smoking, and of course attend regular eye exams. Diabetic retinopathy is a serious condition that requires prompt attention. By understanding the causes, symptoms, and treatment options, you can take steps to protect your vision. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Asad Saleem 1414 for more health and medical tips, and share this video with others who may find it helpful.